Well, hello. All right. Uh, haven't put out a video in a while, probably 3 weeks. But things have come up and went on vacation and all that stuff, so I didn't get much done. I did get this sprayed though with a primer. I just using a Harbor Freight sprayer that I bought years ago. And got a 5-gallon bucket from Sherman-Williams. And I just got Pro Industry Universal Acrylic Primer. And then I got some red safety paint to go on top of that. And I have this here, this stuff I buy at the rattle can. I just buy them cheap. I don't care if they're flat black or glossy for priming like a trailer and stuff like that. I think I got those at Home Depot for like $2.59 or $2.49 a piece. I buy them by like 2 cases at a time. That's just for priming, get some paint on. This is a stand we made for the trailer because even though I can set it down on the ground, which I'll show you, and it's not bad, but for long term, I would rather have it up off the ground in the front so it doesn't, it doesn't hold water in the flatbed or in the dump box. Kind of like lets it go out the back. As you can see, we had it down a little bit in the front, and that's how much water got in there. Not in there. I just don't want water to get in there and freeze if I don't, prop it up in the front. Frozen water isn't good for anything really. But probably worked out pretty good. I got some rust spots. I think I sand up a little bit. But all in all, it was pretty good. We cleaned up this metal and everything, but it's just so humid up here in New York, upstate New York. I don't know. Maybe if I had something where I had climate control a little bit, it would be better. But like I said, we clean. Like, this is easy to clean up here. It goes right down to bare metal, easy, and it's still rusted. In some places it didn't. Primered that up. Even some of the welds got rusted. But yeah, the trailer's over here, and like I said, that's sitting on the ground. But I got it in a hole back there, so it makes it look a little flat. It's still down in the front. See? On the ground. But either way. So I'm going to squirt red on that, put black on the stand, and then put this back together and get it out of the way. That's an update. Painting. So we made that wooden stand for that to hold it up and put that tube in a bucket easier and have it hold up instead of try to put it on the ground. Either way. Alright. Okay, so small update. Please like, subscribe. Alright. God bless. Bye.